had watched a couple videos on people doing this challenge. Mostly I did this challenge for the outfits because Bratz outfits are A1. So. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair or my face. We're gonna get to that later on in this video. Today we are going to be doing the Bratz Challenge on a budget. I'm also going to be DIYing most of these outfits for the Bratz because, well, 2000s fashions isn't really in right now, and you can't find a shirt that bedazzled on it saying Angel. So we're gonna do it ourselves. So I decided to hop on this bandwagon of everybody doing the Bratz Challenge, except for the fact that I am not a makeup artist. I do not know how to get my eyes looking like the Bratz dolls. So I'm going to be playing that one by ear. We're just gonna get right into this DIY. First, I'm going to take basically just a blank black tank top and I'm gonna bedazzle the crap out of it. I did, however, go to my favorite place. I went to Forever 21 and I basically bought a whole entire outfit for one of these because I didn't want to just do the top. So I have 3 outfits in total. 2 of them are just gonna be like the tops and the face, and then the third one is gonna be a full outfit, head to toe, all under $30. So let's get started. So I'm first going to be starting off with the normal Bratz bedazzled shirt. I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like on the doll. Basically, it is the shirt that Chloe wears from the Bratz Diamonds collection of them. She has basically this whole neckline bedazzled, and then she has Angel plastered over in bedazzle. So I'm first going to take, basically, this is called a chalk pencil, and I'm gonna outline the words Angel in here first, and then I'm gonna take my awesome E6000 glue and I'm gonna glue on the bedazzled one at a time, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the neckline. So I don't know if you guys can like see that. I have now basically sketched where I'm going to glue the gems, and we're gonna glue the gems right onto where I sketched it. I'm obviously gonna have to fix up some of the glue I got everywhere. Look at that glitter. Alright, on to outfit 2. So the second one that I'm going to be doing is from Bratz Fashion Show. At least that's what it says on the box with the Chloe doll. Basically, I'm taking an old top I got from Target. I actually got this from Target last year, but I saw plenty of them that were super similar at Forever 21 for like $6, so super cheap. But I'm just making it out of something I already have. This is the look I'm going for. As you guys can see, it's like a choker, and then she has like this cute little fur jacket. I don't have the fur jacket, but I found something that I'm gonna make it work. What she has, it is a halter top, and what I have is like a long sleeve shirt with a choker attached to it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this around so that the choker is in the front and that clips in the back, and then I'm gonna make this into a halter top by cutting it up. Well, so in the middle of doing outfit number 2, I ended up cutting way too close towards the crop top, so the shirt ended up going like here and then just like went straight down, and it just wasn't covering. So I ended up improvising. I ended up just cutting it straight across, and I made it into just a cute straight halter top. And I took like a cheap bandeau, whatever it's called, and I sewed it on the inside to give it a little bit of padding. And so we're just gonna work with that. And then I just took the neck part of it from the halter top and I just cut it to make it a cute choker. But we're just gonna work with it because, you know, that's how DIYs go. You just work with what you got. So my third outfit from the Bratz collection is Bratz in Paris, or Bratz Ooh La La, I guess. There it is. I'll show a better picture to the side here of it. Anyways, of course, like I said before, the reasons I made the two first outfits as a DIY because it was really hard to find like 2,000 fashion pieces. So I decided to get as close as I could possible. For the boots, I basically have those. They're basically just thigh-high black boots. And then she has the cute yellow beret. I could not find a yellow beret that was like checkered with black. So I ended up just getting just a plain yellow beret. We're gonna see how that goes. But she has like a red cardigan. So I ended up just finding this cute burgundy red sweater. And then lastly, she has like a chevron skirt. I could not for the life of me find a chevron skirt. So I ended up just getting a plaid one. And then hers, she has a black bow. Like I said, I can't find these anywhere, so I got as close as I could. This one has just like a cute little black belt. And so we're gonna throw those all together to create 3 Bratz outfits. But before we do that, we gotta fix this mess. This is probably gonna be like the most interesting part of this entire video. I've never done makeup nor like my hair in front of a camera before, so we're just kind of gonna go for this. I'm gonna do the Bratz Diamonds outfit first. She kind of has a slick back ponytail, Ariana Grande style, but she does have that basically like piece of hair swooping on one side and just very slicked down. So we're just gonna attempt to do that first. You know what? That will work for now. I will fix it later if I have to. And then she's like has this like side swiped, and then I'm just gonna pin this. So me like not being any kind of makeup artist or anything whatsoever, this is not bad. Now we gotta move on to the hard part. Oh, I'm gonna put this out here. I'm only doing this makeup look once. I'm not gonna do a new makeup look for each and every outfit because I am not a makeup artist. If I get this right once, we're not going over this again. I'm gonna change my hair for the outfits, but not my makeup. Looks like she's got like a purpley blue on the diamonds one. I think blue is like Chloe's color, so we're definitely gonna go with some blues and some darker blues. I'm gonna use e.l.f. I got this palette. I think this whole thing costs like $10. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Okay, final touch. It's my favorite part. All like the Bratz dolls have like basically their lips are like huge. Obviously I don't have huge lips. I'm not gonna try to make them big or anything like that. I'm not that great at makeup. So we're just gonna do the best of what we got. So I found this cute holographic lip cream, I guess. They call it lip cream. I found this at Forever 21. It was like $2. So I will change my lipstick because the Paris one's like a dark red. But for the other 2 outfits, like, could this not get more Bratz color? Okay, let's go. I'm living like my childhood dream. I look like a Bratz. I got this from Forever 21 for $9, shopping on a budget. And then I literally just used the gem that I bedazzled my shirt. Look at my angel. I obviously should have put the end like a little bit closer together, and obviously my boobs didn't help with that. But still, a look. A look, guys. This is just outfit number 1. Are you guys ready for outfit number 2? Like, honestly. So, this is the second outfit. I did my hair kind of like a wavy look because that's kind of like what she has on the doll. It's just like, it's not like curly, but it's like wavy. And I don't exactly have the jacket she had, but you know, when you're on a budget. And obviously I don't have the right choker, and you know, it's not a halter top, but you know, it works. It's close. Obviously, like I said, you can't find these 2000 like fashion items. It's really hard. But let's move on to outfit number 3 then. Alright guys, here's the third outfit. As you guys can see, like, it's not exactly the same. I mean, like, I still have like the same kind of color scheme, but you know, trying to find, like I've repeated throughout this video, trying to find a 2000s outfit in 2000, almost 20. Like, it's kind of hard. But I think I killed it. Like, I think this is a look I would definitely wear out. I obviously just need to take some tips from Bratz because this is freaking cute. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about doing the Bratz challenge on a budget. I know I didn't really show the makeup all that much, but I am not a makeup artist. There are plenty of beauty gurus out here on YouTube that you guys can look for this. Basically doing the face for this challenge. I'm using just the same products. Like I said, the e.l.f. products worked beautifully. You don't have to burst your budget to do this challenge and still look just as cute. I hope you guys thought this challenge was fun, or maybe just funny watching me trying to do this. It was kind of hard. And if you guys want to see me do more things like this in the future, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye!